I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at my Bright Creations watercolor paper. So this is a cold pressed watercolor paper, which means it's going to have a good amount of texture to it. And it's going to be thick enough that you can paint on it. So you can see the nice kind of textured surface on here. A hot press would almost be like ironed, so it would be very flat. This, you're going to see some of that texture from the mold there. And it's thick enough that even if you paint on it with a fair amount of water, it's not going to bleed through to the other side. So you can get this in a variety of sizes, and it works great for beginners especially. It's a good paper, good enough quality paper for somebody just starting out if you're going to use a lot of it. Even great for kids to use for watercolor projects. Again, if you're painting on sort of traditional paper, it probably will bleed through on there. It's not going to hold the water and pigment very well. So it's nice to see that this is nice and thick and able to stand up to even painting with quite a lot of water. And it's definitely something, again, that you can use for a beginner or for a kid, or even for a professional artist if you want something for probably a more basic painting or doing some studies or that kind of thing. So definitely good quality paper here. Check out the Bright Creations watercolor paper.